Hi folks, I hope that you guys are doing pretty well. So today is Saturday, the 30th of November 2024, and in today's video I want to decipher for you what appears to be a couple of end-time prophecies for the Millennial Kingdom. If you head over to the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 33, verses 28 and 29. Okay, now these verses 28 and 29 are part of chapter 33 in the book of Deuteronomy, okay? And these prophecies are regarding the blessing where Moses blessed the children of Israel, okay? So we got chapter 33 here, it goes on to this paragraph, and then here, okay? And then if you look at verses 28 and 29, they do seem like they have a Millennial Kingdom application, okay? So let's go through them verse by verse. Israel then shall dwell in safety alone. Now, alone is a very key word because, Israel has been suffering a lot and, they're going to be going through Jacob's trouble very soon, okay? And the fact that it's saying Israel shall then dwell in safety alone, I think it's suggesting more when Jesus comes back for the millennial kingdom, when finally Israel shall dwell in safety alone, they no longer have to fear anybody anymore or any of the other nations, okay? Now, the fountain of Jacob shall be upon a land of corn and wine. Also, his heavens shall drop down dew. Now, there are many prophecies, okay, in which they do say that Israel, okay, once Jesus returns for the millennial kingdom, that Israel itself it's going to be a land where, God is actually going to take, the curse of the earth, so to speak. The land of Israel will be, very prosperous. The people will be very prosperous, and so shall the land be as well prosperous. It's going to be plenty of food, corn to eat, so to speak, if you like representing food. It's going to be wine, it's going to be rice so that crops can grow and things like that. So the fact that they're going to be, at long last, dwelling safely alone, I think this is more saying, for the millennial kingdom at long last, when nobody's ever going to be able to hurt the Jewish people anymore. Jesus is going to be there, and both the Jewish people and the land will be prosperous, under the kingdom of Jesus, if you like, And then on verse 29 also alludes to the millennial kingdom because it says here, happy art thou, O Israel, who is like unto thee, O people saved by the Lord. Now this has connotations of Romans 11:26. Okay, so if we head quickly to Romans 11:26, I got a patch marker here, folks. Just bear with me for one moment. Okay, if you head over to Romans 11, verse 26. And so all Israel shall be saved. This is going to happen during the millennial kingdom, okay? As it is written, there shall come out of Zion the deliverer, that's Jesus, and shall turn away ungodliness from Jacob, okay? So um, it does appear, from the context of these final two verses that these two, more for the millennial kingdom, these two prophecies, Okay, so happy art thou, O Israel, who is like unto thee, O people saved by the Lord. You can probably link this in conjunction with Romans 11:26. Okay, I just show you the shield of thy help, and who is the sword of thy excellency. Okay, this is Jesus. Jesus is the shield of thy help. Helping the church people. Okay, and who is the sword of thy excellency. Okay, Jesus is gonna be looking after them. Okay, and thy enemies shall be found liars unto thee. That's right. Like there's not gonna be any more anti-Semitism. And those shall tread upon the high places. That's right, because the Jewish people were meant to be a royal, a royal nation of priests, if you like, and so the Jewish people will stand there. That they are the chosen ones. They will stand there from among other nations. And so I think that for all these reasons, then verses 28 and 29 here in chapter 33 in the book of Deuteronomy, in the blessings of Abraham. In the blessings of Moses to the children of Israel. Then I think that these two verses 28 and 29 are then Millennium Kingdom Prophecies. All right, folks, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.